Anyway, guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe to like it, comment. Happy Tuesday, happy 26th. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without me wasting your time, let's get to start of today. So before we get to Thandeka, guys, yesterday I was so surprised when I saw Liema baking a bread from scratch. Now it makes sense of why Usimbizi said if she doesn't get the 2 million rand, he will give it to Liema. Guys, a chef Liema. You know, nowadays, if you have a strong fan base on social media, you can turn anything into a career, guys. You don't really need to go to school and get a degree, get a diploma to be a chef. You can just start from your home, guys. Start cooking. This is a good thing for Liema, guys. So anyway, guys, let's get to Thandeka. We all know that Thandeka, guys, she will be trending the whole week because people are talking about her. Even myself right now, I'm talking about her. So guys, we all know that only 6 housemates are left. They don't know what to do. Some they sleep the whole day, you know. So Thandeka decided to try to figure out her final dress on Sunday, guys. We all know that on Sunday it is the end of Big Brother Mzansi season 6. So guys, Thandeka was like, I'm gonna wear a black dress. The problem with the black dress, it's a short, beautiful dress. Unfortunately, the dress has a long zip at the back, so somebody needs to help her. Unfortunately, Umele is not around. She was like, I don't want anybody to help me. I like it when you help me, then probably my spirit will be up anyway on that day because I'm leaving. I'll be seeing you, baby. Now I'm feeling the way I'm feeling. I think I'll wear the dress that I came with. So she was like, beside wearing the black dress that I want to wear on my final day, let me just wear the dress that I came with because it doesn't have a zip. I'll just wear it and be fine because the one that I want to wear, somebody needs to help me. So if Millie is not around, nobody else is going to help me. But Q is around. I don't understand because you and Q have a good relationship. Even yesterday when Q won the HOH, he chose the Thandeka, guys, and people were so happy to say at least now Thandeka should not be left alone with those mean girls, guys. The one thing about Tracy, when it comes to Liema, I'm gonna say Liema, guys, yes, she's gossiping, but she's not trying hard to make a situation here at Thandeka. She's just talking about Thandeka. But when it comes to Tracy, you can say go to Tracy, she's making sure to tell Thandeka, you know what, you're gonna have a hard week this week. Use this time to do something, guys. The Thandeka, she's been crying the whole day. Yesterday she was crying, today she was crying, and people are saying what you are crying, you want us to feel sorry for you. We told you, I mean, she doesn't see you guys. Even if you say you told her that she needs to spend time with other people, now that Umele has gone, she doesn't know what to do, guys. She's not close with everyone. She's just alone. If she's not with Q and Bravo B, she's always alone. So I saw these comments. Somebody went on to say, so it's true when people were saying Thandeka is now a finisher. She was from day one, but Melly served her. She's not even trying to use Q because she realized she has a screen time actually boring. So people are saying, Thandeka, she's boring. You know what? If it wasn't Melly, maybe people would have not voted for Thandeka, guys. Because right now they can see Thandeka, she's a finish. There's nothing that she's doing, guys. What do you expect her to do, guys? There's no anyone in that house. Abo Tracy, Abo Didi, Abo Liema, they're mean girls. They're talking together. They don't want her, or she doesn't want them, because when it comes to the mean girl and Thandeka, the situation it's 50%, 56%. We're gonna blame the mean girls, we're gonna blame Thandeka. But anyway, guys, tell me what you think. It is what it is. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Tuesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you.